So blessed with people talaga na talagang they will try to know you, to get you without scrutinizing you at all. Ang take away siguro at the end of the day, since you cannot please anybody, just be yourself. But the only thing that you can control is how you react.
Hello mga kamag-anak, so welcome back to my vlog, and for today's video we're going to have another episode of Kamag-anak Talks, and it is going to be my first ever guest here in Kamag-anak Talks. And talagang pinilit ko talaga siyang mag-guest for today because I really want to know this person, and she's a nurse and she's also from UAE, and her name is G.
Hello mga kamag-anak! Ay, mag-hello na ba? Kung buo naman kasi yung busina.
Kumusta naman? Wait lang, nauho ako bigla. So, she's G, mga kamag-anak.
Hi mga kamag-anak!
Pinilit ko siya for today's episode para maiba naman. So, how are you, G?
I am good overall.
That's right.
I can say I am okay. Not too bad.
Not too bad. That's grand.
That's grand.
That's grand.
I'm grand.
Wala lang. This is for like, for fun. This is for, basta no bashing na. I prepared multiple questions for G today. And I hope makatulong yung questions na yun para mas makilala pa natin si G. So, G, first question for you is, what was your hardest moment adjusting here, and how did you get through it?
The pacing, the weather. Because I used to work in the Middle East for almost 10 years. So, and I am used to the hot weather. So, but I am already aware about the weather condition here in Ireland. So, at first I thought na ay, hindi, okay lang yan, malamig. Kasi dito naman sa UAE, malamig din naman sa mga room. May AC, centralized, something like that. And then, may mga friends din ako working in Europe before. And yun, nagkukwento rin sila ng about sa experience nila regarding the weather, on how depressing the weather is. And it's really true. Depressing yung weather. I don't know kung na-experience nyo kasi dalawa kayo dito magkasama, pero when you're alone, naiisip ko yung anak ko, yung mother ko, and I left my partner back in the UAE, and then yung transition, because my work in UAE is I am a home care nurse. When I was here in Ireland, malaking factor yung adjustment din sa workplace because we are handling 20 residents per day, and the care are very tailored. So, yung approach is very different sa bawat isa sa kanila. So, it's very different. Sometimes, hindi mo maiwasan na maiuwi mo sa bahay yung stress from work. Especially kapag may mga instances na may mga nangyayari sa workplace. Sometimes, may mga moments na parang yun yung nagiging challenge talaga sa akin that time. Part of my transition is na tinatanong ko yung self ko if Ireland is really for me. I'll be honest, being a nurse, hindi talaga ako sa documentation part.
Pero ngayon okay ka na? Or nag-improve or much better?
At first, hinahanap ko yung I'm trying to find my rhythm at work. Pero eventually, I am so happy na hindi unconsciously gumigising na ako ngayon na hindi na ako nagrereklamo na parang every time na nagigising ako ngayon, parang pinaprepare ko talaga yung self ko. Pinaprepare ko yung self ko. So parang lagi kong sinasabi na panibagong araw, panibagong challenge, so lagi yun ang pinag-prepare ko, Lord, panibagong strength for this day. Happy naman ako na yung especially sila Madam Vivian, naman ng Catherine, actually pati si Crystal, hi Crystal, and Rosh na yun, mga malalaking support system talaga sila. Yeah, so far I can say I am okay. Parang happy akong gumigising ngayon, papasok ng work.
So parang kahit na paano lahat tayo nakapag-adjust na sa work, no? Do you ever miss your life in UAE or do you feel more at home here in Ireland now?
About the question if I miss my life back in the UAE, absolutely. Still, I miss my life in UAE kasi I have my partner there and we've been together for 3 years, more than, and my friends as well.
So next question. Okay, so if you could give advice to someone moving to Ireland for the first time, what would it be?
If you're moving here in Ireland for the first time, my advice that I will give is, first is set your intention.
Wow.
Set your
Intention.
purpose. I think you have to set your intention. You have to set your purpose. If it's like just money only, is it mental health? Because when I first came here, the consideration that I took is meron kasi, I have a friend who has a partner here. So sometimes she gets to visit Ireland, and then she always encouraged me, oh, you know, that place is very amazing, and it I mean the place is really gonna help you with your mental health. That is how I saw Ireland before. Kaya when I came here, before I came here, those are the things that I considered. The financial, I think, given. Other than that, sabi ko, kung sa financial lang ito, ano bang mas matimbang sa akin? Yung sa financial na parang may konting angat lang siya sa current na salary ko, pero malalayo ako dun sa partner ko for a while at hindi ko alam kung paano yung kung gaano kami katagal magiging magkahiwalay. Plus, yung anak ko, I have a son, magbe-benefit din siya pag pumunta ako ng Ireland. Yun yung talagang malaking consideration ko that time. Yun sa anak ko, then sa financial, yun yung mga kinonsider ko tanan, and then yung mental health wise. So ang advice na mabibigay ko sa kanila talagang is-set yung purpose and intention muna nila.
Okay, so let's get to know more G personally sa mga susunod nating mga questions. So what makes you genuinely happy these days?
In order for me to answer the question, I have to ask myself first, am I genuinely happy?
Are you?
I can say yes.
That's good.
Okay. And the reason of being genuinely happy nowadays, I am mostly alone. At first, iisipin mo na nakakalungkot yung sitwasyon niya, mag-isa siya, ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi. It's like, parang mas na-appreciate ko yung communication namin ng mama ko, ng anak ko, at ng partner ko. During my day offs, parang you get to like spend more time talking to them. So parang actually parang 3 years kami ng partner ko, pero I can say na parang mas nakikilala namin yung isa't isa. Kasi that is the only thing that we can do right now is to talk.
Communicate.
Wala kami, kasi before, back in the UAE, kahit hindi kami masyadong walang communication, may mga activities kami, minsan walang conversation. Luto ako, luto. Nalilita ako magluto dyan. Pero ngayon, kahit nagluluto ako, may conversation kami. Ano yan? Ito, blah, blah, blah. Ganun pala naman kami, ganun before. Or so, even yung mga malilit na bagay na pagkakwentuhan na namin, may mga moments pa nga na may mga nadidiscover kami na, ginagawa ka na to before, magkasama pa tayo. Talaga? Ngayon mo lang alam. May mga ganun kami, may mga surprises lang bigla na hindi namin napapansin before. Ngayon namin napag-uusapan. And yung anak ko din, I think na-appreciate ko yung communication ko lalo sa family. And kontento na ako sa part na yun. And may mga moments of reflection, yung mag-isa ka lang. I don't see it as being alone. in a
So, kumbaga,
negative.
mas na-enjoy mo yung time mo
With
alone.
yourself. Yeah.
Mas nakikilala mo yung
Oo.
sarili mo alone.
Kasi alam mo, sabi ko sa sarili ko, sige mag-isa ako. Pero ang iisipin ko, how will I take this? Negatively or positively? If I will take this negatively, ako din ang magki-carry ng negativity na yun. Kasi sabi ko, I will take this in a positive way. I-maximize ko yung time ko alone in a positive way. So,
Okay, so since ando na tayo sa part na you are enjoying your
solemnity.
self-time alone and you
You're
are
alone
Solitary.
time.
genuinely happy.
Mhm.
So what do you wish people understood about you more?
If I will be given the opportunity, is I don't want to explain myself. Kung how I reacted, yun na yun. Kung ano yung nakikita nila, it's how
What you see, what you
yeah,
get.
and,
Yeah, what you see is what you get.
on how they perceive me, then so be it. Kasi I don't want to go running each and every one of them na hindi mabait ako. Hindi. Parang
Pero mataray naman talaga.
oo, pero kung mabibigyan ka ng opportunity na may isang person talaga na meron kasi may mga I'm so blessed with people talaga na talagang they will try to know you, to get you without scrutinizing you at all. May mga ganun. And I'm so happy for that few people. I thank God for their lives kasi at some point, one way or another, may contribution din yon on how I get through each and every day here in Ireland, knowing na I'm in the process of transition kasi medyo mahirap talaga siya, especially nung una. Then appreciate mo na yung mga person na yun talaga na until now talaga nagiging support system sila na actually yung personality ko dito, and I can say kung i-compare ko na lang sa UAE kasi doon naman ako
Mas
mostly
marami
nagstay.
Oo.
Medyo malayo talaga. Hi mga kamag-anak, siguro kung may makakanood nito sa UAE, kilalang kilala talaga nila ako. And yung mga talaga nakakilala sa akin at all. I got used to being called yung clown ng guru, yung energy ng guru. Oo.
So you are the the
Oo.
life of the party.
Ganun. And hindi ko alam, pero nung nasa UAE ako and plano ko na talaga mag-Ireland that time. Actually, isa sa naging conversation namin nung partner ko, sabi ko, para may point na feeling ko na exhaust ako dun sa ganung image. Kasi actually, ang
Naubos yung
activity
energy
kasi
mo.
namin sa UAE before, parang 'di ba considering wala akong off, pero parang gusto ko maintain yung social life ko that time. Instead na lumabas talaga ako, actually yung mga friends ko talaga ang pumupunta sa bahay. And hanggang sa, alam mo yung ang sistema pa nga, kasi sobrang open yung kwarto ko sa mga tao talaga. Kahit na may pasok ako kinabukasan, parang naging at ease sila sa akin na hindi tawag nito na okay lang kahit na kakantahan sila dyan, natutulog ako, hindi ako naiistorbo talaga, okay lang ako. Parang gusto ko na, sige, i-maximize nyo lang yung time nyo na mag-party that time. Pero nakaka-exhaust din siya. Parang feeling ko na-exhaust ako dun sa part na yun. Kaya parang pernamis ko talaga. Alam to nung friend ko. Ayoko kasi nagbabalag din yun. Hi Mariel! Oo, nagbabalag din siya. Parang medyo confident ko din siya at that time before. So yun, sabi ko sa kanya pagpunta ko doon, parang gusto kong yung tahimik lang. Gusto kong i-try yung gano'n, yung kalmado lang.
Sometimes it's really nice parang mag-transition to another person that you want to be. Kung magsa-start ka sa lugar na walang
nakakilala
Nakakilala
sa'yo.
sa'yo.
Oo.
Kasi they will not judge you eh. They don't know you. Kaya
Yes.
maganda rin
That
mag-transition.
is supposed to be the goal.
The goal.
Supposed
Pero
to
di ba
be.
sabi mo, na-achieve mo naman siya
Partly.
kahit paano.
Partly.
Partly. At least yung yung ina-achieve mong feelings, na-achieve mo naman. Pero how you achieve it, parang it's not how you expected it.
That
talaga.
easy.
Oo.
Do you think people sometimes misinterpret you before they really get to know you? Na-misinterpret ka na ba ng mga tao?
So, in my life, many times. Lalo na way back in the UAE, may mga moments talaga na misinterpret ka na mayabang. Yun talaga, that's the number one misinterpretation that I usually get.
Mayabang in a sense
In the sense na-
you're just confident of yourself.
Oo,
You just know
yung
yourself.
confident ka talagang magsalita, ganyan. Pero nga kapag whenever I get comments like that, alam mo sa totoo lang, this is the thing. Whenever I do get comments something like that, meron talaga yung at your back, meron naka-defend, may mga nagde-defend talaga sa ng mga person. Kaya
May mga ganun naman talaga tayong
may
friends
mga ganun.
na nag-defend.
meron
Bakit?
talaga
Kasi
magde-defend
sila
sa
nakakilala.
exactly. Hindi actually hindi ko in-expect na makakakuha ng kahit anong comment kasi how I presented myself dun sa mga nakakasalamuha ako when I was new here is minimake sure ko na wala akong ma-offend at all. Parang alam mo yung oo ka talaga, tapos may mga moments pa na parang sometimes you're tired at work. Actually, technically, si Ate Lynn, hi Ate Lynn, kay Ate Lynn ako more on nag-open about yung situation sa work, yung adjustments, ganyan. Hindi ko na-expect na may misinterpretation pa rin pala at the end of the day. So, the takeaway sa situation ko na yun is you cannot really please anybody, no matter how you present yourself.
Tsaka kahit anong present mo sa sarili mo, iba pa rin talaga iba naman kasing level of understanding ng mga tao. So, yung parang iba yung pagkakaintindi mo sa pagkakaintindi nila. So, present mo ng ganito, iba naman yung pagkakaintindi nila. So, hindi kaya...
Exactly. Ang take-away siguro at the end of the day, since you cannot please anybody, just be yourself. And I strongly believe that at the end of the day, no matter how I present myself, no matter how you present myself or anybody, how they present themselves, walang pinaka righteous sa ating lahat.
It's only God.
Pag ganun pala,
Hallelujah.
para I choose. So, pero last question before we end this vlog.
Akala ko last na
Ang
yun.
haba ng mga sagutan natin dito,
diba?
no?
Okay.
And I hope
Yes,
marami
yes,
tayong
Your
napupulot kay
Honor.
G. So,
At kay Amor,
Ay,
siyempre,
pero it's nice talaga
Prophet
to.
to eh.
Prophet
yan.
Amor.
Pero it's nice to talk talaga.
Oo naman.
Kasi mas natututo tayo sa
Of
isa't isa.
course.
No. So, if you could give your younger self one advice, what would it be?
Oh my gosh. Wag mag-nursing. Charot!
Totoo yan.
Oh, no,
Totoo
no,
yan.
it's
Oo,
okay.
totoo.
I want to tell my younger self that we made it.
Alright.
We made it.
is
We
fun,
made
Yes.
it fun.
There are lots of struggles and difficulties, but it's not really easy along the way. It's not easy, but we made it. We're there, and there's more, and we just enjoy every step of the way. And I always tell myself before pa, which I somehow forgot about it, and I was just reminded about that mantra. Lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko before, the only thing that you can control is how you react to yourself. People around you, the scenario around you, it's there, it happened. But the only thing that you can control is how you react. You cannot control the people. You cannot control how they think, how they feel about you. You cannot control the situation. But the only thing that you can control is how you react. It's all in you.
Gandang pang closing na, no?
Uy! Galing mo na.
Pang ano pala
Ganda,
yun
no?
eh, pang...
Pang
Pang Miss
Tony Talks.
Universe pala yun
Dapat
eh.
may luha pala ako dito.
Sabi niya, iyak daw siya.
Kakainis.
Ano ba yan? So, ayun lang mga kamag-anak. So, I hope we were able to know G more, of
Hi, mga
course.
kamag-anak.
And marami pa naman tayong time para i-guess ulit si G. Marami pa tayong chismis, marami pa tayong tanong na gusto
Interview
ko
mo
sa
ako mga
kanya.
na, after contract.
So, yun lang mga kamag-anak. Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye.